Alright guys, so this is going to be a farewell video to this Atlas model AP15TU horn. Um, as you might know, I got this from eBay for $16. This was a listing that was found by Mr. Mercury Fix-It, and I got it. And as mentioned in the last video, I told you guys that I was going to repaint it. This used to be red, and as you can see, it is nice looking red winter gray color. I pretty much painted the entire horn. Looks pretty much like factory finish. As you can tell, this is what the color used to be. You can tell it was red. But yeah, this was probably used in a factory or something because there was a lot of dirt on it, some spider webs on it and stuff, and it was the paint job kind of looked worn out, and some parts of it were rusted. So I did replace a few. I replaced this bolt and the wing nut. Now I still do have the original terminal cover for this. It's just that the thing is, it's not the same color as the horn speaker itself. So I might just give this one just the plastic cover, so it's not a big of a hassle. But yeah, here's your Atlas logo, as you can see here. Information's at the back. The stickers on this one fell off, so I just took it out. That's it. So for this farewell, we're going to play some music and a special in-store ad. So here we go. Hopefully you guys can recognize where the soundtrack came from. It did come from a video game. Sounds very good. And judging by the tones, you can tell that this horn is pretty good for fire alarms. Now, the work I done with it, apart from the paint job, I pretty much disconnected the capacitor. And what that capacitor did was remove the bass, so that way the voice coil doesn't blow out instantly. Yeah, it sounds very good. So now just to wait till this song finishes up. That way we'll hear the store ad. Any minute now. It just backed up a bit.
At Lowe's, safety is a value. As temperatures and store traffic increase, take the time to check on one another. Ask for a red vest assist with moving heavy items. Stay hydrated throughout your day. And remember to take breaks in the shade. Thanks for choosing Lowe's. We look forward to seeing you next time. Have a Lowe's safe day.
Alright, so there you have it. That was the soundtrack and the Lowe's in-store ad that I filmed. So yeah. Now, I haven't filmed many Lowe's ads because the voice is severely compressed, and therefore the audio enhancer that I use has a lot of trouble pretty much trying to enhance those voices that are insanely compressed. But yeah, this one sounds good because it's a previously recorded one. And therefore, that will end the farewell to the Atlas Sound model AP15TUC that will soon be in possession of the F.E.S person. Check out his channel, and thanks for watching.